Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by halting any running notebook processes, run Jupyter Notebook stop or kill the PID on port 8888 and confirm the port is free. Once done, identify how Jupyter was installed, pip, conda, pips, or an OS package. Also note the virtualenv or conda environment name. Make a quick backup of configuration and kernels, copy // Jupyter /etc/Jupyter and any custom kernel directories to a safe location so you can restore settings if needed. You now remove the core packages. If pip installed, run pip uninstall notebook Jupyter core Jupyter client ipykernel and repeat in each virtualenv. If conda, run conda remove name env Jupyter notebook and related packages. Next, list kernels with Jupyter kernel spec list and remove custom kernels using Jupyter kernel spec remove name. Finally, delete leftover site files and data. Remove /usr/local/share/Jupyter // local/share/Jupyter and any cached wheel or egginfo folders, making sure you target the correct Python environment. You finish by removing user configs and helper tools. Delete /. Jupyter, /, ipython and /, local/share/Jupyter, and uninstall pips or extension packages like pips uninstall Jupyter Lab or pip uninstall Jupyter contrib and extensions. If Jupyter came from a system package manager, run apt remove purge Jupyter Notebook or yum remove similarly. Make sure path no longer points to old binaries by running which Jupyter. If other applications break,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.